Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your English class. We are learning English tenses, and in that we have learned about simple present tense and present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and yesterday we started past simple past tense, and today we are going to study past continuous tense, or you can call it past progressive. Okay? Let's have the definition first. The past continuous is used to describe action that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. Okay? So mean past continuous tense expresses that the action was going on at some point of time in the past. Past continuous tense ये शो करता है, ये डिस्क्राइब करता है कि कोई एक्शन बीते हुए समय में स्टार्ट हुआ था और वो उस वक्त जारी था, और वो काम शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए जब से स्टार्ट हुआ था वो उस वक्त कंटिन्यू था. ओके, सो इट इज़ जस्ट द अपोजिट ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में क्या होता है? द एक्शन इज़ हैपनिंग जस्ट और राइट नाउ, बट इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस द एक्शन वॉज continue in the past. Okay, so there is the difference between these two, and that is why it is called past continuous tense, because the action was progressive and the action was continued for a short period of time in the past. Okay, let's see the structure of the past continuous tense. We have the helping verb in past continuous tense is was slash were. Okay, was and were. Was we use with singular subject, and we also use was with I was, but we use with were with they and we. Okay, so was slash were are the helping verbs here. We use according to the subject. Then which form of the verb is used in this? Verb की ing फॉर्म. इसमें कौन सी वर्ब की फॉर्म यूज़ होती है? ing. ओके, एज लाइक वी हैव इन present continuous tense, in the same manner we use VING form in past continuous tense. Okay, and this verb form is called present participle. Now let's take an example. At 3 o'clock yesterday I was working in the garden. कल 3 बजे मैं गार्डन में काम कर रहा था. विच मीन्स एट द टाइम ऑफ 3 o'clock some action was in progress, which means the person was working in the garden for a short period of time. He was working in the garden, but he is talking about the past time here. Okay, because it shows through the word yesterday. Okay, another example is my kids were playing basketball together for hours yesterday. मेरे बच्चे बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे थे कल घंटों तक. which means the action was going on for a short period of time. Okay, let's see further. The train was running at full speed. गाड़ी full speed से चल रही थी. Okay, the action was progressive in the past time. Here we use was with singular subject as like train, and then we use main verb run, and then we add ing form to it and it becomes running. Then comes the object and the complement of the word. Okay, the train was running at full speed. In negative form, to show the negation we use not, and not is placed between the helping verb and the principal verb. Principal verb means main verb. The root form of verb is called principal verb. Okay, so negative words form negative sentences form करने के लिए we have to use not, और इस not को हम कहाँ पे place करते हैं? principal verb, main verb और helping verb के बीच में. ओके, सबसे पहले व्हाट कम्स फर्स्ट, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज स्लैश वर्ब प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing. For an example, she was not weeping. Here she is the subject. Because she is singular subject here, then we have to use was. Okay, she was, then comes not, then comes verb weep, and then comes ing weeping. She was not weeping, वो रो नहीं रही थी. Okay, and in interrogative form, the helping verb is placed before the subject as like was, were, plus subject plus verb plus ing, then plus question mark. For example, were the sheep grazing in the field? Here the sheep is plural subject here, and that's why we use were here. Okay, and it comes before the subject because it is an interrogative sentence. Were the sheep grazing in the field? So the helping verb comes first, then the subject comes, then verb comes, then we put ing, and then follows the object, and at last follows the question mark. Okay, so in short, let's see that what is past progressive tense. Here we can see that past continuous tense is the tense that expresses the action was going on at some point of time in the past, and we have the sentence structures in positive sentence as subject plus was slash verb plus we plus ing. We means verb. For an example, she was cooking all morning. In negative sentence, subject plus was, were plus not plus verb ing. For an example, she was not sleeping when he came home. In interrogative sentence, was, were, helping verb comes first, was slash verb plus subject plus verb plus ing. For an example, was she sleeping when he came home? Okay, question mark. Now we can see the usage of the past continuous tense, then in what manners, in what situation the past continuous tense is used to describe parallel action, which means when the two action is going on together, but it should be in the past, as like while I was washing the dishes I heard a loud noise. जब मैं dishes यानी कि बर्तन धुल रही थी उस वक्त मैंने कोई आवाज़ सुनी. Here hearing the loud noise and washing the dishes, these both action were going together. Okay, both actions were going together at some point in the past time. Okay, next usage is to describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time. For an example, I was working in the garden all day yesterday. तो कोई भी व्यक्ति पास्ट टाइम में क्या वो एक्शन कर रहा था या वर्क कर रहा था, पर्टिकुलरली उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, टू एक्सप्रेस इंटरप्टेड एक्शन इन द पास्ट. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉज ड्राइविंग टू वर्क व्हेन आई क्रैश्ड माई कार. ओके, to describe repetition and irritation. For an example, he was always complaining in class. Means all the actions that were continued at some point in the past is called past continuous tense. You have to remember the helping verb and the main verb, usage of helping verb and the main verb in the past continuous tense. Okay, I hope you have understood what is past continuous tense. Now without wasting time, take out your copy and try to make 10 sentences on past continuous tense. I'll see you in next class. Thank you.